Tired of juggling leads between HighLevel and Follow-Up Boss? Wishing there was an easier way to streamline your real estate marketing? This video will walk you through a simple integration to effortlessly connect HighLevel with Follow-Up Boss in just a few steps. First, log into your HighLevel account and navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once in Settings, look for the Integrations tab and click on it here. You'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll down, or use the search bar to find Follow-Up Boss. Click on the Follow-Up Boss integration. You'll be prompted to enter your Follow-Up Boss API key. To find this, log into your Follow-Up Boss account in a new tab. In Follow-Up Boss, go to Admin, then API here. You'll find your API key. Copy this key. Now, go back to HighLevel and paste the API key into the designated field. Then click Save. HighLevel will now verify the connection. Once verified, you can start setting up your triggers and actions to automatically send leads and data to Follow-Up Boss. Configure your HighLevel workflows to automatically add new contacts, update existing leads, and trigger follow-up sequences in Follow-Up Boss, and that's it. You've now successfully integrated HighLevel with Follow-Up Boss, giving you a powerful automated marketing and lead management system. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate automation tips.